Divisibility test is our first what we discuss. Before we discuss factors, multiples, factor definition, multiple definition, factor properties and multiple properties, and after that divisibility test. Divisibility test for 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, 8 table, 9 table, 10 table. Total these 8 tables divisibility we discuss. Now we are going to discuss about prime numbers. What are prime number? Prime number means a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. 1 and itself. A short definition here. A number larger than 1. So don't take 1. 1 is neither be a prime nor a composite number. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. This you remember. This thing you have to remember. So whenever we are going to discuss prime number, we have to take larger than 1 numbers, not less than, not 1. Okay, larger than 1 number. A number larger than 1, that is completely divisible by 1 and itself. 1 and itself. 1 and itself only. Such completely divisible means remainder should be 0. Remainder should be 0. Such type of numbers are called prime numbers. Such type of numbers are called prime numbers. For example, 5. 5 is here prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on, these are prime numbers. What prime number means? If I take 5, 5 is divisible by 1. 1 5 is 5. 5 is divisible by 5. 5 1 is 5. Only two factors we have. That is 1 and itself. 1 and itself. A number which is having 1 and itself as a factors are called prime numbers. Prime numbers. Only 1 and itself. In 11 also. 11 is divided by 1 and divided by 11. 11 is divided by 1 and divided by 11. No other number is there to divide this 11. 1 is divided by 1 and 1 is divided by 11. It means 11 is divided by 1 and 11 is divided by 11. So it means 11 is divisible by 1 and itself. 1 and itself. In the same way, 7. 7 is divisible by 1 and itself. Itself means 7. So this 7 is divisible by 1 and itself. A number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. So next, composite number. So what is composite number? A number that is completely divisible by any other number beside 1 and itself. 1 and itself it is there. If 1 and itself only are multiples factors, then that is a prime number. Instead of this 1 and itself, more other factors are also there, then they are called composite numbers, like 4. 4 is divisible by 1. 1 4s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. And it is also divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 1 4s are 4. So it have 3 factors. 3 factors. 1 and itself as well as 2. So 1 and itself is there, but more other factor is there. So that is why this is not a prime number. This is a composite number. Then 6. So if you wrote 6, then 1 6 are 6. 6 1s are 6. Then 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. So this 6 is divided by, divisible by 3, divisible by 2, divisible by 6, divisible by 1. So total 4 factors. These 6 have 4 factors. 1 and itself and also 2 and 3. The number which have more than 2 factors. So that type of numbers are composite numbers. The numbers which have only 1 and itself as a factor, they are prime numbers. 1 and itself. So 1 and itself only the factors. No other number is there. No other number divides this 11. No other number divides this 7. So only 1 and itself divides this prime number. So but in composite number, 1 and itself is there, and instead of this, more other numbers are also there. So these type of numbers comes under composite number. Composite numbers have more than 2 factors. 1 and itself is there, that 2 factors, and more 1, 2, 3, whatever. So it depends on the number. So composite numbers have 2 more factors, more than 2 factors, but prime numbers have only 2 factors. The 2 factors are 1 and itself. 1 and itself as a factors. in composite prime nor be a composite number here. So if you check this prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 7, 11, this all. 3 is an odd number, 5 is odd number, 7 is odd number, 11 is odd number, so on. All these are odd numbers, but only 2 is a prime even number. So in prime number 2 is a even as well as prime number. 2 is an even as well as it is a prime number. These also you have to keep in your mind. Two things. One is neither be a prime nor be a composite. Second, 2 is an even prime number. 2 is an even prime number. 2 is an even prime number. This you keep in your mind. First, 1 is neither be a prime nor be a composite number. Second, 2 is an even prime number. This is the definition and explanation about prime numbers and composite numbers. Yes, now here next our next topic, to find all prime numbers between 1 to 100. 1 to 100 all prime numbers we have to find. How to find all prime numbers? First check here. First leave this one, don't take this one, and in 2 table first we take 2 table. In 2 table, so whatever numbers will come in 2 table we have to make it cross first. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. All even numbers we have to make it cross. 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. These all are even numbers. These even numbers we have to cross it. Then after in 3 table we have to check. In 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are, don't take 3 1s are. Here 2 1s are also, don't take 2 1s are. 1s are, you don't take 1s are. Okay, 3 1s are 3, you don't take. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Next, 30 after 3 number, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. In 3 table means every 3 we have to check. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, already cancelled. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, already cancelled. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, cancelled. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. In 3 table get cancelled. No need to check 3 table. And 4 also. Now 5. 5 table. 2 table, 3 table, 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 11s are 55, 5 12s are 60, 5 13s are 65, 5 14s are 70, 5 15s are 75, 5 16s are 80, 5 17s are 85, 5 18s are 90, 5 19s are 95. Then 5 is over. Now we go for 7 table. 7 table. 7 ones are 7. Don't take 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 50. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. 7 tens are 70. 7 elevens are 77. 7 12s are 84. 7 13s are 91. 7 13s are. Then no need to check. 7 14s are. 7 14s are. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It is the 98. 98 already cancelled. Then so these numbers cancelled in 7. Then 8 no need to check. 9 no need to check. 10 no need to check. So then all are cancelled. We have to check in 2 table, 3 table, 5 table and 7 table. In these 3 tables we have to check those numbers, those multiples comes 2 multiples, 3 multiples, 5 multiples, 7 multiples. We cancel all that multiples. Then whatever is left, just you make a circle. You make circles. Here 2, 3. This is, don't cancel 5 ones also. 5 ones are, don't cancel ones are. Don't cancel ones are. 5, 7 ones are, also don't cancel 7 ones are. Then 11, then 13, then 17, then 23, then 29, 19 also, then 31, after that 37, 41, 43, 47, next 53, 61, 67, next 71, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 89, 97. These all are prime numbers between 1 to 100. 1 to 100 prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59. Next 67, 61, 71, 73, 79, 89, 83, 97. These all are prime numbers. These all are prime numbers. The prime numbers means the number which is having 1 and itself as a factor. How to find prime numbers between 1 to 100? First we have to take the digits. How? In 2 table. First we have to cancel in 2 table. 2 table. Where this 2 table? 2 table. Whatever numbers will come in 2 table, that we cancel first. Then after that we take 3 table. In 3 table whatever numbers will come, that we have to cancel. Then after that 5 table. After that 7 table. So whatever the multiples are there from 1 to 100, that multiples we have to cancel. Then after that whatever is left, once you check, all that numbers are prime numbers. That prime numbers we left. Co-prime numbers. So what about these co-prime numbers? 2 numbers that do not have common factor other than 1. Other than 1. So if any 2 numbers, if you take any 2 numbers, if you write the common factors, so then there is no other common factor other than 1. Then the 2 numbers are called co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Now here First example. Take here example. One of a number is 35, other number is 39. 35 is one number, then other number is 39. Then write the factors. 135 is 35. Next, it won't goes in 3 table and 2 table also, because it is not even number and sum of the digits is 8. It is not divided by 3. Now we check in 4 table, also it is not divisible by 4. In 5 it will go. 5 sevens are 35. Then 35 factors are 1 is and 5, 1, 5, 7 and 35. These are the factors. 35 factors are all these 4 factors are 35 factors. In 39, 139 is the 39. It is odd number, it won't divide by 2. And in 3, it will divide in 3. 3 13s are 39. In 4 table, not possible because even number, it is not even number. In 4 also, it won't divide. And 5 table, last number is not 5, then 6 table, no. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10, no. Then 11, 12 is also not. 13 is already there. Then 39 factors are 1, 3, 13 and 39. These 4 factors. If you check these two, 35 factors and 39 factors, what is the common in between? 1 is there common. Here 1 is there. Here 1. Here 5 is there is no 5. Here 7 is there is no 7. Here 35 is there is no 35. Only one is having as a common factor. Here common factor between 35 and 39 is only 1. In this 1 is there, in this 1 is there. If the common factor between the two numbers is 1, then that numbers are called co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. These two are co-prime numbers. 39, 35, these 39 and 35. These two numbers are co-prime numbers. Why these two numbers are co-prime numbers? When we write the factors of these 35 and 39, so 35 have 4 factors, 1, 5, 7, 35. 39 have 4 factors, 1, 3, 13, 39. So in between these two common factor, so both have, that is 1. Here 1 is there and here 1 is there. 1 is common factor between these two numbers. So that is why these two numbers are called co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Co-prime means common factor is 1. So other than 1, there is no common factor. Such numbers are called co-prime numbers. Next, twin prime numbers. What about twin prime numbers? Twin prime numbers, here definition again. If two prime numbers are known as twin prime numbers when if there is only one composite number between them. Composite number, suppose if I take 2, 3 and 5. 3 and 5, these two are twin prime numbers. Why these two are twin prime numbers? Because in between 4 is there, one composite number is there. One composite number is there. If any two prime numbers, one composite number is there between them, then that type of numbers are called twin prime numbers. Suppose if I take 11, 13 also. 11, 13 also twin prime numbers. Why? Because only one composite number is there between them. Only one composite number is there between them. So that is 12. So the same way 7, not 7, 3, 7, 5, 7. Next 19, 21, not 19, 21. 21 is not a prime number. 17, 19. 17 is a prime number and 19 is a prime number. These two are twin prime numbers. In these two twin prime numbers, one composite number is there, that is 18. So these two are called twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers means if any two prime numbers, between that one composite number is there, then that type of numbers are called twin prime numbers. If I take 13 and 17, these two are not twin prime numbers. These two are not twin prime numbers. Why? Because in between 14 is a composite number, 15 is composite number, and 16 composite number. 3 composite numbers are there between two prime numbers. So that is why 13 and 17, these two are not twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers are the numbers which have one composite number between them. That type of numbers are called twin prime numbers. This is the difference between twin prime numbers and co-prime numbers.